Hi, as you can see, I'm back in my living room. So this is going to be another flashback or throwback episode to something I did back in 2017, back when I was doing photo blogs. So let's go take a look. Hi, welcome to another episode of Gearhead Man. I'm Mark Paulus, your host. Today's episode is going to be on a photo blog I did back in 2017 at Rat City Rukkus, their annual car show that's held at the Stratosphere Hotel Casino in Las Vegas here. It was a great event. I usually cover it every year. Last couple years I didn't because of things that were going on, and this year it got canceled due to the pandemic. So let's get started here. Let's take a look at some of my photos. We'll talk about them and talk about the event. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber, hit that red subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you get a reminder or a notification when new episodes post. All right, let's take a look. Now, the Rat City Rukkus car show and bike show and all that is sponsored and put on by the Junkyard Pirates. They're an amazing rat rod car club here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, if you're a car guy, a gearhead, a car enthusiast, definitely come out to this event next year in 2021. Now, you never know what you're going to see here. One year, I photographed a wedding that was going on during the car show. Man, you can find everything and anything here at these Rat City Rukkus car shows. There are food booths, there are merchants selling their wares, there are artists selling drawings, but everything and anything car related can be found here during the car show, motorcycle show. If you can make it, you're in Vegas next year during the event, I would definitely come out and attend it. See you there. Well, that brings an end of another episode here at Gearhead Man. I hope you enjoyed the photos. I'm looking forward to 2021 when the majority of these events should be back. and I can get video. Alright, thank you for subscribing. Again, if you're not a subscriber, hit that red subscribe button on your way out. Hit the bell icon, and that way you'll get a notification once new episodes post, so you don't miss any episodes. Give us a comment on what you think about the Rat City Rukkus car show. If you had any favorite cars there, let me know. And if you have any ideas what you'd like to see for an episode here on Gearhead Man, drop me a comment on that as well. Alright, we'll see you next Friday.